Hey beauties! So I have my base and brows done. Today I just wanted to do one of the makeup looks that I do frequently in summer. I'm really excited because I checked out NYX has a lot of really awesome new lip products that they've come out with, and a lot of them are really beautiful and like cool toned. So the really neutral one that I found is Baby Doll. It's one of the NYX lingerie colors, and then I also have the NYX Slip Tease in Entice, which is more of like a cool toned, like purplish color. So anyways, so we will be using one of those. Okay, so my skin is done, but I still need to do some contour slash bronzer. So I'm gonna go in with a light butter bronzer and my unique blusher brush and give myself a little bit of dimension. If you notice, oh, this stuff smells so good. If you notice that you're losing a bit of your foundation, you can like do a little bit more of like a patting motion instead of a swipe, but make sure to keep it light-handed. That can also help. And I'm taking this on my jawline, down my neck a little bit, and again I usually do this on my hairline as well. Let's start off with the eyes. So I've been playing in the Naked 2 palette, and we are going to use the color Chopper, which is a pretty rose gold. Okay, and we are going to put that onto the lid, concentrating the most color on the lash line and then blending upwards. Okay, so just kind of like a pretty rose gold bronze. Wash of color that's not too intense. Just enough to give some definition and some shimmer to the eye. I will do brown this time, so it is Brown Perfection, which is one of the NYX waterproof eyeliners. Actually, I'm gonna have to sharpen this. I really like the unique lip and eyeliner sharpener. It's like super cute and really good. Anyways, okay, so I'm just gonna do a simple line on the upper lash line. And it is a little bit thicker on that outer edge. So then we're going to curl our lashes. And I'm using the Voluminous Carbon Black by L'Oreal. I even did a little bit on my lower lashes, which I tend to avoid because I usually just end up making a mess. But with this particular wand, it actually works really well, and I can just do like a teensy bit. So I do like that. Okay, so now we're going to move on to lips. So I'm going to line using the Covergirl Lip Perfection in Seduce 210, which is like a very natural pinky color. Then we are going to go in with the NYX Lingerie in Baby Doll, so the lighter of the two. I just think this one's really pretty. Try this. The applicator got a lot of product on it. So I would definitely recommend wiping off the applicator before you start using it, because this one has a ton of product on it, and I do not need that much. Okay, so this is our just sort of natural, pretty pink, yeah, look for today. So thank you guys so much for watching.